Alright everyone, this is a basic jump, so you just swing the rope around forward and jump. Alright friends, so this is a double bounce jump. Before the rope swings around, you're supposed to jump twice. These are the alternative jumps, so you're basically bouncing back and forth on your feet as it swings around, making sure to hit both feet.
This is the side swing jump. So you jump rope and then you swing it off to the side on both sides and take it back over and jump over it from side to side and then jump. This is the side straddle. Let her restart here.
Sorry.
So you're just straddling your feet off to each side instead of keeping them centered.
So this is scissors. You're kicking each foot out and back and forth alternating to do this.
This is the heel to toe jump. So you're landing on your heel and kicking your toes out, making the heel to toe. This is the full twister. She's twisting her body 180 degrees each side for each jump, making the full twister.
Alright, so this is going to be the high knee. So basically, you just bring your knee up high.